The news in detail. Russia has launched a special military operation in Ukraine's eastern Donbas region. Ballistic missile attacks were also launched in a number of Ukrainian cities this morning. Reports of explosions are now coming in several Ukrainian cities and gunfire near main Boryspil airport in the capital Kyiv. In a televised address, Russian President Vladimir Putin has urged Ukrainian soldiers who are facing off Russian-backed rebels to lay down weapons and return to their homes. Ukraine also said that Putin launched a full-scale invasion of Ukraine. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said Russia had almost 2 lakh troops and thousands of combat vehicles on Ukraine's borders. Russia is launching its military operation just days after recognizing the self-proclaimed People's Republic of Donetsk and Luhansk in eastern Ukraine. External Affairs Ministry of India has set up a control room in New Delhi in view of the prevailing situation in Ukraine. Indian Embassy in Kyiv has advised all Indian nationals in Ukraine to maintain calm and remain safe.